Hey, Emma, how's your morning going?
Pretty good, John. I was just thinking about something. Today I was talking to my friend and she asked me a funny question.
Oh, really? What did she ask?
She asked, "Do you speak English?" I was like, of course I do. But it made me think, what does it really mean to speak English well?
That's funny. I mean, English is such a big language. It's not just about knowing all the words, right?
Exactly. I think some people feel scared to speak English because they don't know every word, but that's okay. You don't need to know everything to speak well.
Yeah, and honestly, it's more about confidence. If you feel confident, you can speak even if you make some mistakes.
For sure. Like when I first started learning English, I was so nervous to speak. I remember one time I tried to say, I am tired, but I said, I am fire.
Oh no, did you scare anyone?
Yes, I think I did. But we laughed about it, and that's the most important thing. People are usually nice when you try to speak their language.
Absolutely. And that's how you learn, by trying. If you wait until you know everything, you'll never speak. Just like you said, mistakes are part of the process.
Yes, and you can always learn from them. Like when I first moved to the US, I didn't know how to order food at a restaurant. I just said, one pizza, please, and pointed at the menu.
I bet they were like, okay. But hey, it worked, right?
It worked, and the more I practiced, the better I got at it. Now I can order pizza without any problem.
That's awesome. It's all about practicing, right? Even if it feels awkward, the more you speak, the easier it gets.
Yes, exactly. And when you start to understand people and they understand you, that's when you know you're really speaking English. It's all about communication, not perfection.
Totally. I remember when I was learning Spanish. I wasn't perfect, but I could communicate, and that's what mattered. I used to say gracias when I meant de nada. I think I was thanking people too much.
That's funny, but hey, you were trying, and that's what counts. It shows you care about the language.
Exactly. And with English, even if you don't speak like a native speaker, it doesn't mean you're not speaking it well. It just means you're learning, and that's awesome.
Yeah, I think some people get scared of speaking because they don't want to make mistakes. But you know what? Everyone makes mistakes. I still make them all the time.
Me too. It's totally normal. And the more we practice, the more confident we become. Speaking a new language is a journey.
I couldn't agree more. And every time you speak, you're improving. Even just saying, yes, I speak English, is a big step.
Yeah, it shows that you're ready to learn and talk. So for anyone who's still nervous about speaking English, I'd say just go for it. Don't worry about being perfect. You don't need to speak perfectly to be understood.
Exactly. And remember, mistakes are just part of learning. The more you speak, the better you get. And soon enough, you'll feel more comfortable.
So true. And hey, let's encourage each other to keep practicing. It's not about being perfect. It's about trying and improving every day.
Yes, so do you speak English? Of course you do. Keep speaking, keep learning, and you'll do great.
And remember, the best way to get better at English is to practice. So don't be shy. Keep talking and you'll get there.
Exactly. Keep practicing, and you'll see how far you can go. Good luck, everyone, and we'll see you in the next video.
Bye, everyone.